In this video, we will be looking at the binary search algorithm with a particular focus on searching for numbers. So in this example, we are going to be searching for the number 7 in a sorted list. Remember, a prerequisite of the binary search is that the numbers are already sorted. Very important. Otherwise, the binary algorithm will not work, and a linear search must be used in its place. So our first step would be to find our midpoint. So pupils should be encouraged to identify their midpoint of the list simply by using arrows, maybe a text label. We can easily see that we have 3 elements to the left and 3 elements to the right. And notice the test that I've indicated here, that we are searching for a 7, and that 7 is to the left of the number 9, which is our midpoint. So that means we are going to ignore the midpoint and to the right of the list, and that's why I've used a grayed out number system. It doesn't mean that the data is deleted. That is not the case. The data still exists within the data list. It's just we are choosing to ignore it. So we're ignoring the midpoint and to the right. So we now have to reiterate and find our new midpoint. So again, use our labeling. Make sure it's clear to the examiners where our new midpoint is. In this case, we're choosing the number 3. Show the examiner that we are testing the number we're looking for, 7, and 7 is to the right of or greater than 3. So we are going to now ignore the midpoint and to the left. So we're now reiterating, find our new midpoint. So our new midpoint indicates that we have found the element we are looking for. We've found our match. So that is a binary search algorithm applied to a sorted numerical list.